Welcome to another episode of Adventures Over 55 VR 360. After seeing this for the first time, what are we doing today?
Today we're going up the Hudson for 2 hours and we're enjoying some German Oktoberfest fare food while watching the beautiful Hudson River foliage.
Yep, and we're right now down in lower Manhattan on the seaport. And that's the Manhattan Bridge, and Chinatown's over there, and Brooklyn is over there. And you can see this is the Manhattan. I guess that's Williamsburg, Manhattan Bridge, and that's the Brooklyn Bridge in the distance. This is obviously the financial district here. This is one of the main areas of the South Street Seaport. Obviously Freedom Tower in the distance. This is Water Street behind all these buildings. You know, a lot of the big insurance companies, law firms, financial houses, they're all down here. But this over here, I believe, is Brooklyn Heights. And as you can see, that's the Brooklyn Bridge. Behind that, the Manhattan Bridge. Behind that's the Williamsburg Bridge. Over there is, straight ahead, is Governor's Island. And you can see these are all these little waterway taxis. In the distance there's the Verrazano. But the thing that they've done is they've hooked up all of these water taxis so you can skip back and forth between Brooklyn, downtown Manhattan, Midtown West, you know, Weehawken, New Jersey. And it's all connected now by water, and it only costs the price of a token. It's like $2.90 to get on the water taxi. Ride all you want. And Verrazano's there. That's Staten Island, and I guess that's Jersey. Yeah. Kind of cool. We have our own little spot.
I thought it was a great time.
You hit a home run with this one.
I highly recommend coming on the Oktoberfest.
They did have some trouble boarding us, but I think they're somehow making up for it with this extra little bit swinging by the Statue of Liberty.
That's a nice way to make it up.
If you want to write us, adventuresover55@gmail.com. The website the same, adventuresover55.com. Wrap this episode up. I accept.
Have a great weekend. Over 55.
See you next time.